I think networking and collaboration are part of the answer to improving collaboration in concert with many other things. But they themselves offer the possibility to accommodate to diversity in important ways, in two in particular. For us to solve some of the vexing problems of school improvement, we need diverse people, people who work in universities, people who work in school districts and other places to work together. But in order to do so, they have to have a common language. And networks and the collaborative activities they support allow diverse actors to develop a common language to talk about the world that they work in and their aspirations for the world, the problems that it has, and the ways that they might work together to improve things. And when people work together in this way, they start to develop a common narrative, a story of how we together work and how our work together is different than the way others work, and the common narrative builds a kind of bond between them. So I think that networking provides the context for collaboration, and the collaborative activity itself builds common language. An example might help. I, along with many collaborators, right now in our work in the United States, have formed a network of 13 universities working together with the school districts that are geographically proximal to them. And the network provides a context for them to begin to see that they have shared problems, and that, for example, that the universities are starting to see that whereas in the past they might have thought of individual uh, school leaders or others who show up in their classes as the clients for their work, but they're starting to transform and to see the students in the school districts as the clients for their work, and their students in the university classroom as a vehicle to get to the students. So they begin to talk. So the university and the school district are talking about problems that they together share, rather than the school district thinking and the university thinking about themselves as separate entities. The working together in a network has given each of these partners of the 13 a common way to see the world, and it has given the collection of 13 to see themselves to have a special narrative, the way we as a group work together, and as a group they're starting to see the possibility that they could begin to be a movement to help other universities in the United States to work similarly.